Hello everyone, today I'm going to be swatching out the Hero Arts Ombre Inks. The Ombre Inks have 3 different colors to each of them, so I'll show you what each of the colors look like and how they overlap. If you want to get a plug and place swatch system like the one that I am using, I will leave a discount code for you down below. This is the plug and place swatch system, and it allows you to remove the swatches after you've cut them out and applied them so that you can rearrange them in any order that you'd like, and you can also see if different color palettes work together. And here is the final product when they're all cut out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.